Hey everybody, we're gonna start off with some tarty. I'm gonna take some dab it over my right cheek, not some on the left. Dab it some more. Now we're taking some CC oil-free matte SPF 40. And take the sponge. We're gonna pour some on the sponge. I'm gonna dab it all over the face, all over the pretty face. Some on the forehead, some on the nose, some on the eyelids. And we're gonna take some cream, put it all over under my eyes, on my forehead. And we're gonna rub that in with the sponge. And some Fit Me. Not sure where Fit Me is. I'm gonna take some of that. I'm gonna brush it all over my face, forehead, chin, my cheeks. Now we're taking the magic crayon, the black magic crayon, fill in those brows. Bring it closer. Look at those eyebrows. Eyebrows on fleek. Look at those, coloring perfectly. Now we're gonna do the other eyebrow. Some finishing touches. I'm gonna put some foundation on the eye. Foundation on the other eye. Now under the eyelids, some Violet Voss. Ooh, those are pretty. Fill in those eyelids. Pressing it in, pressing it in. For a perfect touch on each eye. Alright, now we're underneath the eyebrows. Put some paint underneath the eyebrows. Oh, back to the magic crayon. We're under the eyelids now. Oh, looks like another colored pencil. Some Lorac Pro Contour. Look at those. Look at those eyes. Oh, scissor looking things. Oh, that looks painful. And look at finish those eyelashes. Alright. Oh, some mascara now. That completes it. And now some NARS. And we're going to brush that in all over the cheek, all over the other cheek. And some spray, some setting spray, that's what that is. And spray it all over. How refreshing. We'll let it set. We'll let it set. Some more cream. Geez, a lot of cream. Nope, this time on the lips. It must be some kind of lip gloss. And that's it. There's a masterpiece. Bye, everyone.